Lenovo LOQ 15IRH8 gaming laptop. IT Gallery Lenovo Experience Store. The Lenovo LOQ 15IRH8 laptop sports a rugged, practical, sleek design and a signature gaming rear I/O dashboard. It comes with a wide array of ports for easy access and a clean look. 13th generation Intel Core i5-1350OH processor. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3056GB GDDR6. Memory up to 16GB, 2x8GB, 5200 MHz DDR5. Storage up to 1TB PCIe SSD Gen 4. Greatness on display. Elevate your gaming experience on a 15.6 inches FHD display. Your games will come to life with a lightning-fast 144Hz refresh rate, lifelike colors, and a bright 350 nit screen. Plus, DC dimming ensures low power consumption, helping extend battery life for those long gaming sessions on the go. Get lost in the game with the Lenovo LOQ 15IRH8 laptop. Built-in 1080p FHD camera sporting an ePrivacy shutter for greater privacy. Ports, slots. Left. USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, 10 gigabits per second, DisplayPort 1.4, 140W power delivery. Headphone, mic combo. Ports, slots. Right. USB-A 3.2 General 1, 5 gigabits per second. Webcam e-shutter switch. Rear. Power in. 2x USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, 10 gigabits per second. HDMI 2.1. Ethernet, RJ45. Dominate with ergonomic precision and accuracy. Unlock your ultimate typing and gaming potential with the Lenovo LOQ keyboard. With classic tactile touch feel and 1.5mm key travel, you'll enjoy lightning-fast actuation and 100% anti-ghosting for unmatched accuracy. The full-sized arrow keys and number pad help you stay in control in any scenario. Play hard, run quiet. Move in silence and game loud with Lenovo LOQ's Whisper Quiet thermal solution. Its innovative design includes up to 4 heat pipes, dual 85mm 12V high-speed fans, 28.6% larger air intake, and 24% larger outlet vents. With generous ventilation and up to 135 WTDP, your gaming rig will stay cool and quiet even in public areas or library quiet zones. Enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions without drawing unwanted attention. Push your battery life to its max and embrace the industry-shaking super rapid charge. Charge up your 60Wh battery in a heartbeat from 0 to 30% in 10 minutes, 0 to 70% in 30 minutes, and 0 to 100% in 80 minutes. With support for USB-C charging with optional 140W adapter, you'll have all the power you need when you need it, so you can focus on owning the competition instead of finding an outlet. Battery 60Wh. Super rapid charge. 10-minute charge 0 to 30% capacity, 30-minute charge for 0 to 70% capacity, 80-minute charge for 0 to 100% capacity. Audio 2x2W speaker system with Nahimic audio.